Hey guys, it's me Lillian, and today I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on all of my animals because recently I got 2 new animals and I updated all of their clothes. I know I did a video on them before, so if you can see my snowflake darling wolf. Okay, and I got some new pets. I got a new pet I can show you guys. So yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my first. So this is Snowflake Darling Wolf, of course. She's just brown, and she has this flower crown that I don't think you can get anymore. I've never seen anybody, not even in the source. So I think it's actually, and these would look so cute on her. But yeah, that's what on her. And then there's just like this brown over here, and then I have a little bit of a darker brown on her fur, on her layers. Her first layer is like on her chest, and then on her skin, on her skin, she has a lighter. Okay, so my next one is Miss Berry. Miss Berry Moon is an alligator. I got her a couple days ago. I think I got her last Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. And she is just wearing some angel wings with this sparkly boa. I love sparkly boas. They are just so cute. I love them to death. Okay, so my next one is my deer. And in this video, I forgot to tell you, I'm going to show you guys my top 2 favorite animals. Okay, so then I have Fabulous Sunny Deer, and she is just wearing this sports jersey with the flower crown, and then with some high top sneakers. My next one is a raccoon. Okay, so this is my raccoon. She is so cute, and I'm gonna give you guys a hint. She's one of the favorite. Okay, I'll just tell you guys now. I can't keep it in. My Arctic wolf and my regular raccoon are my favorite, you guys. I love my raccoon to death. Can I talk to her?
So we do have our charter starting tomorrow around noon. To set up a boat with a brand new crew.
So this is she just wearing the flower crown, and I have this really cool purple. I didn't really notice in all my other animals, but there's some good colors that go with this. There's just some things that I like to do. I like to press around on different ways and go like this, and see what ones I like. But I stick with this one. So that is my raccoon, and her name is Queen Sunny Paw. She's my baby queen. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is Snowflake Darling Girl. I know I have Snowflake Darling Wolf, but I kind of wanted to change it up to Snowflake Darling Girl. And this is my unicorn. Quote, quote, unicorn. It's actually a horse, but I have a unicorn horn on her. I got this sparkly boa and the sparkly boa on her. Okay, my next one is is Miss Snowy Ivy. She is my third. I'm gonna be rating on a scale of 1 to 10. This is my third one, my third favorite one, and this is Miss Snowy Ivy, and she just has this sports jersey on with the baseball cap. And then I have this rare turquoise necklace. And
You must be Brian. I'm Brian. Nice to meet you. I've been a yacht captain for almost 30 years.
so then they have a rare friendship band. Wait, friendship bands, yeah. So that is my Arctic fox, and my next animal is a fox, a regular fox, and she is wearing the baseball cap and the jersey. Yeah, so that's what she's doing. And my second last final one is my bunny. She is one of I think she's one of the coolest ones. I got this really cool idea from somebody I saw at Flying Panthems. She was wearing everything like this, but she had great headphones. Okay, and she's just wearing some high tops and butterfly wings and some headphones. And then my last one is my dolphin. So we're gonna have to go down to the ocean. So this is Dancing Bear Dolphin, and she's not having things. So wait, I should have stuff. Okay, so how about we shop for her, you guys, just for the look. So let's see. Ooh. Ba, 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 da, ba, 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 da, ba. Sorry. Clothes shopper. Cool. Ba, ba, da, ba, da, ba, ba. Ooh, they have water wings. I have to buy these. You know me, girl. Why are there pretty colors? Okay, we have to buy those too. Okay, so that's enough. Check it out. Let's see what she looks like. Pretty. I don't really like this on her. Come on, she has water wings. Okay, so that's my last one. Yeah, that's my dolphin. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to thumbs up and like. Bye.